Give us this day our daily bread, and today's daily bread comes from Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace all who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed on you. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm V, and today I want to show you a quick and easy way to make pickled jalapeños. Now all you need for this recipe is about a pound of jalapeños, 1.5 cups of vinegar, a cup of water, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a sterilized mason jar, and a pair of gloves. I'm making 2 jars of peppers, so I'll be doubling my recipe. We'll start with peeling our 2 garlic cloves. Place those aside and start cutting your jalapeno peppers. Now I'm wearing these gloves because I've touched my eyes before after handling jalapeno peppers, and let me tell you, it was not fun. So wear your gloves. Now once those are cut, it's time to prepare our brine. To do that, we'll start by adding our water. Next, we'll go in with our vinegar. Our salt. Our sugar. And our 2 cloves of garlic. Give that a good stir, and on medium-high heat, we'll let that come to a boil. Once that boils, turn the heat off and then add your peppers. You want to make sure all of your peppers are submerged under your brine. Cover and let those sit for 30 minutes. Your peppers should have changed from a dark green to an olive green color. Spoon them into your sterilized mason jar and add the rest of the brine. Make sure you leave about a 1/2 inch of head space in the jar. Seal your jars with the lids, and there you have it, fresh pickled jalapenos. You can keep these in the fridge for up to 2 months. You can also water bath these if you want to make them shelf stable. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.